feel the letter J unfold, a graceful curve that sweeps through the air, effortless and fluid. Our journey begins with a gentle downstroke, steady and soft, like a breeze descending to earth. This stroke anchors the J, bringing it to life with calm precision. As you reach the base, a smooth curve forms, quite turn, much like a river's bend. This upward sweep adds flow, guiding us through the letter's natural path. Finally, with a swift flick, the tail emerges, a quick, decisive stroke, like the final gust of wind. It leaves a mark, brief yet unforgettable. The Gothic texture J is a simple yet elegant dance of motion and stillness. Every stroke is a moment crafted with intention, much like a fleeting breeze that leaves its presence in the air.